The second point is to get motivated towards our life is stay hungry. So here, Arnold Schwarzenegger was not a famous yet in 1976 when he and I had a lunch together and the Doubletree Inn at the Doubletree Inn. It is a hotel name in Tucson, Arizona. Not one person in the restaurant recognized him. Means at that time Arnold was not famous, so he was in town publicizing the movie Stay Hungry, a box office disappointment he had just made with Jeff Bridges and Sally Field. The two are guys worked with him. I was a columnist for a Tucson Citizen at, at the time, and my assignment was to spend a full day one to one on one with Arnold and write a feature story about him for our newspaper's Sunday magazine. So I too had no idea who he was or who he was going to become. I agreed to spend the day with him because I had to. It was an assignment, and although I took to it with an uninspired attitude, it was one I had never forget. So इसमें क्या हुआ कि आर्नोल्ड ये आर्नोल्ड के साथ बातचीत उसका एक्सपीरियंस ऑथर के साथ क्या है वो यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है. So at 1976 Arnold was not famous. So and the author got chance to spend one day with him. The hotel name is Doubletree Inn in Tucson, Arizona. So here at that time he was publishing the movie called Stay Hungry, and the box office was disappointment he had just made. The movie was getting failed. It was not run properly, and at that time Arnold uh, and the author has to write a feature story, and he was a columnist for sports columnist. So it was an assignment for him for author, and although he took it with uninspired attitude, means uninspired attitude he was taken. Perhaps the most memorable part of that day with Schwarzenegger occurred when we took an hour for lunch. He had, I had my reporter's notebook out and was asking questions for the story while we ate. मीन्स वो खाते खाते वो डिस्कशन कर रहे थे और ऑथर वो क्वेश्चन बोल रहा था पूछ रहा था. At one point, I casually asked him, "Now that you have retired from the bodybuilding, what are you going to do next?" अब बॉडी बिल्डिंग के बाद अब क्या प्लान है? And with the voice as calm as if he were telling me about some mod- modern travel plan, he said, "I am going to be number one box office star in all of Hollywood." फिर शांति से आर्नोल्ड ने जवाब दिया कि he will going to be number one box office star in all the Hollywood. Mind you, this was not the slim, aerobic Arnold we know today. This man was a pumped up and huge, and so for my own physical sense of well-being, I tried to appear to find his goal reasonable. मीन्स यार ये जो बोल रहा है वो सोच रहा था कि कैसे होगा. He was trying to appear to he tried to appear to find his goal reasonable. तो ये reasonable है कि नहीं है? I tried not to show my shock and amusement at his plan. After all, his first attempt at movie didn't promise much. अभी जो मूवी में काम कर रहा था वो मूवी इतनी चली नहीं थी. He didn't promise much his first attempt, and his Austrian accent and awkward monsters build didn't suggest instant acceptance by movie audience. उसका जो awkward उतना भी हाइट था, मॉन्स्टर जैसा, मॉन्स्टर्स जैसा, एंड वो ऑस्ट्रियन एसेंट में बोलता था. And then I finally managed to match his calm demeanor. Demeanor means calm demeanor, misbehavior. And I asked him just how he planned to become Hollywood top star. कैसे ये वो हॉलीवुड टॉप स्टार बनेगा? जस्ट ही आस्क्ड हिम जस्ट हाउ ही प्लान, वो कैसे उसने प्लान किया कि वो हॉलीवुड टॉप स्टार बनेगा. It's the same process I used in bodybuilding, he explained. What you do is create a vision of who you want to be. आप क्या बनना चाहते हो उसका विजन आप क्रिएट करो. And then live into that picture as if it were already true. And live like this कि वो सही हो, अभी सही ही है. पहले क्रिएट विजन क्रिएट करो कि भाई आप क्या बनना चाहते हो, एंड देन लिव इनटू दैट पिक्चर राइट नाउ कि भाई वो ऐसा ही अभी हो रहा है. इट साउंडेड ridiculously simple, too simple to mean anything, but I wrote it down and I never forgot it. I will never forget the moment when some entertainment TV show was saying that box office receipt from his second Terminator movie had made him the most popular box office draw in the world. Was he psychic? Or was there something in this formula? Over the years, I have used Arnold's idea of creating a vision as a motivational tool. I have also elaborated on it in my corporate training seminars. I invite people to notice that Arnold said that you create a vision. He did not say that you wait until you receive a vision. You create one. In other words, you make it up. अब ऐसा मत सोचो कि भाई जब रिसीव होगा तब मैं क्रिएट करूंगा. फर्स्ट क्रिएट अ विजन, देन इट ऑटोमेटिकली रिसीव इट. A major part of living life of self motivation is having something to wake up for in the morning, something that you are up to in the life so that you will stay hungry. The major part of living a life of self motivation, एक्चुअली सेल्फ मोटिवेशन क्या है कि आपके पास कुछ होना चाहिए कि आप वेकअप फॉर इन द मॉर्निंग, उसके लिए आप उठो और एक्साइटेड रहो. समथिंग दैट यू आर अप टू, आप टॉच पे रहो इन द फीलिंग्स अंदर से. सो यू विल स्टे हंग्री मीन्स काम करने में आप इतना काम करो कर सको, मीन्स आपके अंदर कुछ ये गोल होना चाहिए. अगर आप गोल नहीं होगा तो आप काम नहीं कर पाओगे. द विजन कैन बी क्रिएटेड राइट नाउ, बेटर नाउ देन लेटर. अभी क्रिएट करो, वो अभी अच्छा है, बाद में करने से अच्छा है अभी करो. यू कैन ऑलवेज चेंज इट इफ यू वांट, बट डोंट लीव अ मोमेंट लॉन्गर विदाउट वन. आप अपने गोल को चेंज कर सकते हो, कोई बात नहीं, लेकिन उसके विदाउट, प्लीज डू नॉट लिव विदाउट वन. And watch what being hungry to live that vision does to your ability to motivate yourself. And watch what being hungry to live that vision does to your ability to motivate yourself. And then आप देखो कि being hungry to live that vision does to your ability, ये विजन जो है वो क्या करता है. टू एबिलिटी टू मोटिवेट योर सेल्फ। आप जैसा विजन क्रिएट करोगे तो वो ऑटोमेटिक आप हंग्री होगे काम करने के लिए, वो अब इस विजन को पूरे करने के लिए, और आप अपने अंदर से ही मोटिवेट होगे। सो स्टे हंग्री में वो ऑथर ही आपको कहना चाहता है कि आप जैसा आर्नोल्ड ने किया कि विजन क्रिएट करो और उसके बाद आप अपने दिन की शुरुआत करो और काम करो। ठीक है, थैंक यू वेरी मच।